Good day world! So today's video it's my first time experience video. So ito yung very first time ko guys na na-experience dito sa Croatia ang pagiging manggugupit ng buhok. Ang pagiging tagagupit or ang pagiging barbera. So dito sa Croatia, na-experience ko lahat ng mga first time. First time ko magluto, mag-experience ng magluto, mag-experiment, mag-alaga ng bata, lahat-lahat. So dito ko natutunan ang pagiging multitasker. So sige, ganon. Ganon ang mode ko dito guys. So ito naman guys, ang weather dito ay mahangin. Mahangin siya, mainit, pero sobrang lamig. So hindi pa kami nagsa-summer. So obligasyon ko kay tata every month ang paggupit sa kanyang buhok. So para sa akin guys, ako nag-offer sa kanya na bumili ka ng bago, magandang brand para ako na ang magupit sa'yo. Para maka-save tayo. Kasi in Philippine peso guys is isang gupit sa barbershop dito sa Croatia, equivalent to 360 to 380. So malaking tulong na yung 1 month. So ang buhok ni tata is mabilis siyang tumubo guys. So magiging Mr. Bean yung buhok niya pag hindi niya gupitan ng 1 month. 1 month or yes, 1 month to 2 months, haba na yun. So ayan, umalis ako guys, back to that video. Kumuha ko ng mask. So I mask on na dyan. Naka-mask on na ako guys kasi yung buhok ni tata ililipad sa hangin papunta sa aking ilong. At meron akong allergy guys. Meron akong allergy rhinitis na 13 years na tong kasama ko, especially pag cold season. Grabe guys, ito yung struggle ko dito. Napakapait Kuya Edi. Sobrang hindi siya nawala at nag-struggle pa siya, nag-irita pa siya pag cold season. Winter, spring, autumn. Summer naman is naglalaylo siya guys. So hindi kami kasama pag summer. So pinalis ko siya during summer. Ito namang allergy ko guys, nakuha ko sa yung nagtatrabaho pa ako sa Cebu. Tapos malamig sa aircon. Tapos galing ka sa init, nagko-commute ka. Tapos guys, ayun, natuyuan yung buhok ko, natuyuan yung likod ko, sa buhok din na mahaba. Tapos maano siya, galing sa basa, magiging tuyo yung buhok ko, ang likod ko. So yun yung nakuha ko guys. At yung mga alikabok, pollution, from tambucho, lahat-lahat. So yan guys, kung napansin nyo nakatakip sa mukha kasi mainit siya guys pag yung sun dumapo sa mukha mo. So ayan na guys, si tata sabi niya hindi daw ako gently. Kasi guys, panay ko kay tata, yung buhok mo, yung ulo mo, ganun. So sabi ko wag kang maingay dyan. Stay put ka lang dyan kasi ako dito yung barbera. So ako yung nakakaalam, ako yung nakakita. So ayan guys, so be careful ka lang sa parteng tenga kasi yun yung pinaka-struggle ko. Ang hirap. Hindi biro magiging isang barbera guys. So kudos to all barbers, to all the men and women in salon. So hats off talaga. So hindi biro guys. So ayan na guys. So tupihan or inano ko si tata kasi aalis kami dyan guys. So itutur ko kayo kung saan si tata bininyagan sa Cathedral, sa St. Joseph Cathedral guys. So ayan. 12:40. So dito daw si tata binaptized.
This is original for baptism.
Baptism day? Oh my God.
Here, Tata baptism.
Yeah, you baptized here. And this is the church before, only little, right?
This is only for baptized.
So that's the water for
Now they don't do that. They do their
on the big.
main altar.
Yes.
Before.
Come on, you take picture there and baby. Come go. What is this? Matar. Hindi ako marunong magbasa. Come on, wait. Take picture muna si tata sa saan siya binaptize. Okay, hold baby hands. Okay, idi mo. Usmiye. So we're gonna go up. So you are climbing on the bell tower at your rest. My God. So it's forbidden to ring the bells and touch the knitting. So we're gonna go. So dito si tata bininyagan itong place na to. Yan. Tata head baby ha? This is very small. Tata, oh my God. Tingnan pagkapang siya. So ito yung main doon. Tata, please, baby. Baby head. So, tingnan niyo.
This is fine now.
Yes. Okay. So for free kami nagpunta dito sa bell tower kasi yung nagbabantay, anak ng cousin ni Tata. So, Angela, don't laugh. Si Tata is struggle. It's like, yes. Pula ako. Okay. My God, na spiral ang daan. Tingnan nyo. Diyos ko, Lord. Ang spiral. Listen, Angela. Ivonash? Niyosh. Ivonash!
I never wish it.
It's close.
Yes.
How it's close? Where are we gonna go? I think this is wrong way.
Never wish it.
It's a wrong way. It's a wrong way.
You go see. Maybe here.
It's a wrong way.
No.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's still? Ay, Tata. So it's not a wrong way. We are right way. Dubardan. Oh. It's okay? Amos. Wow. Yush construct. Oh. So high. Angela did not say so high. Tingnan nyo. Parang gusto ni cave sa ba? So sinangal ko. Gihangak ko. Uy, Tata, don't. It's too high.
We don't go.
It's too high. Tingnan nyo. Wait, Tata, wait. So ito yung nakikita nyo dun sa baba. Tata, wait. So ayun, makikita nyo yan. Doon. Hala, hindi ko ma-imagine first time ko dito. Sobrang taas. Ayun yung coffee shop kung saan. Ito yung front ng Cathedral. Wait. So I'm gonna take picture with this. As usual, take picture. Wow, it's so nice. Baby Amin daw. Ito pa yung pinakataas doon. Kasi stop ko muna. Step on struck. Ito yung mga paraphernalia nila.
Pigeon sleeping usually here.
Huh?
Pigeon sleeping here, but they put net.
Yes. And it's a lot of govno there. Huh? That's... Look. Hello, coffee shop. Hello, Dolly.
Pigeon.
Yeah, that's a pigeon. Hello, it's so high. Yung nakikita ko yung mga tourists nag-picture. Yes. So, ayun. May stage. Tata, it has stage here. Maybe. That's from Trick or Treat, maybe.
She don't want echo.
No. Nitri ba? It's okay.
Are you sure?
Why? It's close.
It's back.
It's close. She's safe.
So back.
It's so bad. We gonna go back. She said we go back. Ang dami pang mga tourists sa baba. Nagpipicture sila dito sa akin. Feeling. Okay, we gonna go back. What's the ting?
The bell.
Bell? It's not bell. That's a... Yeah, it's a doorbell manual.
Angela, ito mo.
Why? Go up. Yush, guri. Hala, this is the bell. Tata, it's forbidden to on the bell out. Ring. Ayun, ito yung... Hala, dyan mo i-ano yung bell tapos connect dun sa taas. Hala ka, pero sabi, don't ring the bell. Of course. We do not go, it's too high.
Yes.
Hala, it's so high. Diyos niyo, marimar ang taas. It's so high. It's so high. So baba. Okay. Yes, we're gonna go. Barba, Papa, Barba. Barba, pala. Bukbang. Ang ganda. It's so nice. Yes. Oh, see, that's the highest. Hindi na kami pumunta doon sa may kampana kasi sobrang taas. Maluluka ako. This is yung...
I was thinking it's closed because
It's open, it's open, but nikakak namin ibalik sa taas. Tata, pula ko. Uy, tingnan niyo, pababa, spiral.
Angela.
Spiral.
I want Tata Connie.
Connie. Si Tata Connie, si Tata ano daw, horse. Gusto niya ganun na. Gusto niya ganun yung style. Lubot. Asos nakadress-dress ng gunis kurdap good. Init. So ayun na yung bell. Tapos pa umay ano pa na floor 1, 2, 3. So 3. Back. Okay, we're gonna go back. Pula ko tata ha.
Okay.
Slowly but surely. We do not rush. Baby. Glava lubab. If you gonna walk, Angela, it's okay. Yes. Okay, head. Tingnan nyo si Biik. Naka-ano na naka. Head. 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 Tata, wait. It's too much.
It's like this?
Tata, head.
Yes.
Unexpected, we are here again. And it's a free. So see? Ganito yung ano udan.
What's the Angela?
Kasi it's already. Yay! We are outside. Thanks God. Thanks God. Ay. Ayun. It's so high. Dolinak. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, but it's spiral and you need to be so slowly and careful. Yay.
It's on record.